Welcome back to another video, guys. So I saw this nice trade opportunity on VIX 101S index. I've shared this setup to my VIP members already, so I decided to make a video on this setup, right? My expectations on this index. So I gave this trade projection, market selling to the downside to come test this level for the buy. So I'm expecting this index to buy. I'm bullish on VIX 101S index. So why did I predict the buys on this index? Why am I expecting this index to buy from these points? So here in today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys my market analysis and my view on this index. You guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at future opportunities, I start from a higher time frame in order to have a clearer view on the market, in order to see the bigger picture of the market. So you can see that this index has been on a massive decline. VIX 101S index has been on a massive decline, which we can see clearly at this point. Price creating lower highs and lower lows formation. We're getting the higher time frame structure, got a high at that point, got another high here, a lower high at this zone, and that high at this point as well, a lower high. So we saw the market create series of lower highs and lower lows formation. The last high there, a lower high. We got our lows here basically. First low, second low here, would say a lower low, and the third low, which price just formed a lower low. So regardless of this market being a downtrend, I'm expecting a short-term reversal after price created this last low and this last high, and there was a break of structure at this point. It's expected that market moves to the upside to come give a new high formation, to come retest that broken lows, this previous low here. After this lows got broken here, a new low was formed, but a new high is yet to be formed. This was the previous high we got, so it's expected that market push to the upside to come test this level, creating a new high, a new lower high formation for the sell continuation. So this index is bearish generally, but I'm looking out for buy opportunities. I'm looking to taking advantage of the short-term buys, just like a counter trade on this index, a counter trend trade on this index. Right, the reason why this index is selling is this massive pattern formation we got here. Always emphasize on identifying the reversal patterns in the market. So we got this nice reversal pattern formation on daily time frame. We got price create the head, sorry, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and the neckline would say is at this point. The neckline is at this zone basically. The neckline is at this zone. So since price broke below this neckline, we've been getting this market sell massively to the downside, and this index was previously in an uptrend. Always make sure you spot the previous market direction and the current market direction. So we got this previous market direction, which is a market being in an uptrend. So market shifted from an uptrend market to a downtrend market, which is currently at the moment. Market is on a downtrend market right now. So our focus should be on the side of the market, but we can't just place ourselves on this current price level. That's one thing with the higher time frame chart, in order not to expose our trades to big losses. So we have to still scale down to a lower time frame to analyze further, right? To have a better view and a good entry point for our trades, in order to have a good win rate and manage our risk properly. So on this 4 hour time frame, we can see that this index was you can say the clear downtrend is very much clear. This index on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. So everything on this index is bearish. Everything about this index is bearish at the moment. But short term, we could get the buys, we could get markets push up to the upside to come test that zone. For the sells, that's my short-term trade projection on this index. Short-term buys for the sells. So I'm expecting this index to push up a little bit for the sells. And in order for market to give the expected buys, you have to get price sell to a certain level, because a commodity or an asset gets more attractive when there is a decrease in price value, when the cost of that asset is lower. So for this index to sell to this point, it means that we would have a decrease in price value. This asset would be lower, so we have to get the buys. So market is currently at the 814 price level. So if price can sell to 782 price value, it's expected that we are likely to get more interest of the buyers on this index. So I'm looking to buy this index from this zone. I'll just wait for market to push down a little bit for the expected buy. So that's my trade projection on VIX 101S index, and we have a nice order block formation here We have a nice order block formation at this zone, and we also got a nice formation as well. So everything on this time frame, on this 1 hour time frame, is bullish. We got price creates a nice head and shoulders pattern formation there. We got the left shoulder at that point, the head at this zone, and the right shoulder would say is at this point. So the neckline is here basically, which price has broken above. So on the retest of the neckline, we have to get the price as well as a retest of this other block formation. So the buy is expected on the VIX 101S index. So I'm waiting patiently for the market to give the expected sells for our entries for the buys here. And we have a zone at this point as well, which market is reacting to, which is likely to produce the sales that we're expecting on this index. This is a nice double top formation, and market just gave the retest of the neckline here. Got this nice double top at this point. First highs and second high. This is a clear price action market approach. So price was selling to this point to be getting the buys. And for more confirmations of our sell zone, you guys know that I always bring up my Fibonacci to matching it up from the swing lows here to the swing highs. But let's go to lower time frame in order to have a clearer view. This is the swing lows. This is the swing lows here, and this is the swing highs, right? Recent swing lows and recent swing highs. So matching it up from the swing lows to the swing highs, and we can see that this our buy zone, which is on this box here, is in line with our 618 fib level, which is at this point. Let's change the color of this. Our 618 fib level is in line with our buy point, so everything is making sense right now. We have high probability of getting the buys. We've got a lot of confluences in line, aligning with our buy zone. So let's just expect this index to give the little sales for the buys. So that's my expectations on this index, and that's my analysis. And if I'm to take this buy trade, I would give you guys an update on how the trade played out. And on my entries at this point, I would be having my TP level here. My first TP level would be at this point, these highs, if price can give the sell. So let me change the color of this, change it to maybe blue. Yeah, my entry point is on the red line, this red line here. My first TP level would be here if I'm to get my entries here. My second TP level would be on this point, this black line, this level we are getting the sales from. That would be my second TP level, and my third TP level would basically be somewhere here, right? And we could get long buys on this index. Could get long buys on VIX 101S index. Like I said, like I projected on a higher time frame, we could see this index give the massive buys to the upside. So on how market moves, we would as well take advantage of the short-term buy moves on this index. So that's this, guys. That's my market analysis on this index. That's my market analysis and view on 101S index. So for more market analysis like this and market breakdown, do it to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. Chilling means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.